Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Tag Manager to deploy Facebook pixel code to your website. Let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, here what you have, I already have the Tag Manager open. I'm assuming that you have already deployed the basic settings to your website and now you're looking to deploy Facebook pixel. For that, click on New Tag. I'm going to give it a name, Facebook Pixel, so I can correctly identify it later. Here I can go down and click on the custom HTML option to deploy the Facebook pixel code. I click on that. And then what I need to copy here under the HTML is the JavaScript from Facebook for the pixel tracking code. So again, I've also logged in to the Facebook account. Here I'm on the Facebook pixel page. I've already opened the pixel. I want to add it to my Google Tag Manager. Here I can go to setup. Under setup, click on the manually install the code yourself. Go down and copy and paste this to the clipboard. This is the Facebook pixel code JavaScript that needs to be added. Let's go back to the Tag Manager now and I will just paste this code right here. Once this is done, the other thing is I need to tell Google Tag Manager when to include it, or in Tag Manager term, fire this pixel code. So I'll click on this and I want it to work on all of the pages. I select that and I will save this change. Once the change is saved, you will see under workspace changes, there's the Facebook pixel. That's what we have set up right now to deploy. But before deploying it on our website, I want to make sure I've correctly configured it. So what I will do is I will click on the preview button to put my website in preview mode where I'm deploying this pixel code. So now I get this message, my website is in preview mode. I go here, open the website. And here down below, I get the Google Tag Manager debug panel. Here you can see is Google Analytics. Tracking code is deployed on this page and is fired one time. And also the Facebook pixel code custom HTML is also fired one time and is included. I'll just check the data layer. Window loaded, DOM ready, page view, all these events, messages. And these are the data layer variables which are set up. Here, what you can see is your Facebook pixel has been correctly set up and now we can roll out our changes. Going back to the Google Tag Manager, first I'll leave preview mode. Yes, please. And then I can click on submit and say version number, let's say 5 or FB. We can give it any name that you want. Added Facebook pixel code, tracking code. Once this is done, I will click on publish. And version 5 Facebook has been correctly published to my website and is working now. The way to look at it is in my workspace changes. I no longer see any pending changes and they have been deployed. There's another way. I can just click on the latest version and I'll see the Facebook version 5 FB Facebook pixel has been added to my website through Google Tag Manager. That's it. Hopefully you like this short video. Please click on thumbs up if you did. And again, thanks for watching the video.